Hello. So this is something I learned from Dr. Joel Furman, medical doctor. It's called G-bombs. It's an acronym. And this is something pharmaceutical companies do not want you to do because there's a chance you may not need their medications as you get older, or if you're on them, who knows, maybe you might not need to take them any longer. So it's kind of ironic. A medical doctor taught this to me. So anyway, let's go. It stands for greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. So let's see if I can flip this around and I'll show you what I do. Now this particular instance is a buffet that I went to. Not a buffet. It's well, it's like a buffet. Anyway, it's a cold bar at a grocery store. So throughout the day, I do. There is no try. There is either do or do not. So there's my greens, in this case arugula. There's my onions. Actually, let's go and order greens. Let's see, beans are down there. I got spoonfuls and spoonfuls of black beans in there. What's next on the acronym of G-bombs? Greens, beans, onions. You can see onions toward the top right here. Mushrooms. I got quite a few mushrooms in here, buried beneath the arugula. There we go. There's some mushrooms. Some mushroom right there. Greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries. Well, there's the berries. I got raspberries and blueberries. And seeds. Those are going to be really hard to see, but I did get some pumpkin seeds down in the bottom there somewhere. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, raw. No salt, no sugar, no oil. I did spritz some vinegar over the top of this, not very much though. And then I also added some artichokes and some sweet potatoes. Those aren't part of the G-bombs, but, you know, they're awesome too. So let me put this back on my face. I've made videos about G-bombs before and blog posts, but the idea behind this, according to Dr. Joel Furman, he explains it much better than I do. But if you get greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds in your diet every day, and you make that the focus of your diet, then you're going to get a wide scope of different kinds of nutrients in your body that prevents disease, reverses disease. It's anti-cancerous. He wrote a book on how to end cancer in the world. That's a pretty bold claim, bold book title, but he's a really smart guy and he's a scientist and he's one of the good guys, you know, one of the good medical doctors. So check it out. And my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, if you go there and do a search for G-bombs, I think it'll come up. Anyway, tomberkenmeyer.com, just like I spelled here on social media, and you can find all kinds of nutritional tips and plans and juices and cleanses and anything to do with natural medicinal healing. I've got tons of it throughout my website, as well as other things like financial freedom and residual money and a few political things, all in good fun. So that's it. Just wanted to shoot this quick live feed. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it. Tastes really good too. Bye for now. Mwah.